Straight shambles. Had my YouTube on and then forgot my camera. Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Hope you're having a good day. Hopefully yesterday was good for you. I took no more trades after the stream. It was done after the stream, which was nice. All right, markets are open. Rookie mistake. Yeah. Straight up rookie over here, huh? Other Ryan, good morning. Good to see you. Yuri, Silver, Amy, Skidsteer, morning. Ace, good morning. Botan, morning. Heard you finally got your hat. Hope you like it. Jones, good morning. D-Trades, what's up? Joel, good morning. Good to see you. All right, everybody. A little bit more of a mellow overnight session today compared to yesterday. We got overnight highs up at 24,500. Got overnight lows down at 24,190. What ended up happening yesterday? Did we sell off? Oh, I guess we sold off in the afternoon a little bit. Wow, we ended up pushing all the way up to 763. So an extra 100 points from when I got off. And then slapped it down to 400, huh? Nice sell off at the close, I guess. Got VWAP and value area low from yesterday at 340. I don't know. I don't use trade copia. When we get above VWAP and value area low, looking for the overnight highs. We get the overnight highs, looking at yesterday's value area high. Reject VWAP and yesterday's value area low, looking at the overnight lows, or potentially just looking for the overnight lows. We'll see what happens here. Again, this is what the daily chart looks like. Overnight lows are here at 198. That being said, like if we get aggressive with the slap, technically we're looking at yesterday's open 900, but that seems very aggressive. Alrighty, before we get too deep in the day, let's play some kind of hard golf real quick. I always wait the first 15 minutes, or 18. I always wait the first 15 minutes to trade, just a personal rule. Let the market figure out what it wants to do. Figure out the pace of play, all of that, so I wait the first 15 minutes. Ah, shoot. Shoot. Oh, there it is. Physics, I think. What's the play here? I could potentially hit it down here and then skip that second one. Maybe skip this one. Not what I was planning. Ah! Dude, what? Maybe some more heat? 13, top 16%. We'll take that. All right. News on the session chat. We've got 8:45 PMI. 9 o'clock Richmond Fed index. 8:45 PMI might move us. We'll see. Other than that, we got noon to your notes. Couldn't get to VWAP, slapping back down a little bit. All right, nice slap. You have accounts at 80K? No, they're at 69K right now. Basically, almost 70. They're at 69. I have a few at 70 with slippage, and a few at like 69,800. And that's after 6,000 per account in payouts. 120,000 so far in payouts on these accounts. Last couple months. So I guess they're getting close to 80 grand total, but not quite. You have any crypto, Matt? No, I don't. Used to a lot. Like, used to partake a lot in crypto. It's what got me into like trading, really. Like aggressive trading. Because the markets were 24/7. I could trade after work and trade very small size. And practice trading. I didn't know about paper counts at the time. Traded a lot of crypto through probably 2018 is when I stopped kind of trading crypto, 2018 or 2019, and then passively traded it through like 2021 or 2022 or something like that. Last time I really touched crypto was the Luna short. I haven't really touched it since then. I don't really like all the new metas that came into play. Whatever those pictures were called, I forget what they were even called. The JPEGs, NFTs. Whenever that kind of came around, I was pretty uninterested. And then it was meme coin summer or Solana summer or whatever, and like I just don't have the time or the energy to keep up with like what coins are pumping and all that stuff. I couldn't do it. I really enjoyed trading crypto when it was really just the majors that were moving. All right, there's new lows on the session, chat. You don't want to buy a digital picture of a monkey worth a couple million? Right. I think I bought like 1 or 2 NFTs and they went to 0. Yeah. Yeah, I don't really like all, like, I think it's really cool and like the kids love the new metas, obviously. I just like, I don't like it. I don't have the time to deal with it. It got super like bot heavy, scam heavy. It was really fun when it was just all the boys just ripping it on BitMEX, on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those were the days. Pre-Binance, pre-Bybit, just ripping it on BitMEX. No kind of hard golf today. I already did it. I got top 16%. All right, overnight lows. Here's the overnight lows. Couldn't get to VWAP. Swap the overnight lows instead. We'll see if we can if we'll just baby sweep this and push it back up. I don't know. What, BitConnect? BitMEX. BitConnect was BitConnect. One of the best memes to come out of crypto. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. What's up, Big Connect? Whoa, what's up? No. Big Connect! Wow! Big Connect! Classic. What's up? Dude, BitConnect was crazy back in the day. I don't even know if y'all... I forgot about BitConnect until someone just said that. BitConnect was the definition of a Ponzi scheme, I believe. I think they got charged for it, I think. Let me see. Yeah, the Department of Justice. Died on a global $2.4 billion cryptocurrency scheme. Some people made a ton of money on BitConnect. A lot of people lost a lot of money on BitConnect, but there was a few dudes that... And I remember this one, Crypto Nick, I think was his name back in the day or something like that. He was making millions of dollars on BitConnect on YouTube. That an FTX? Yeah, FTX was like new age crypto. I saw the girl, Caroline, whatever her name was, just got released, I think. I saw something that said that like if FTX didn't go bankrupt and have their like early investments liquidated, they would have had, I think they were in like Anthropic maybe or something, and it would have been hundreds of billions of dollars. Instead it got liquidated for like pennies on the dollar. How did you decide trades by Matt? Did you want to choose any other names or just the one that you like the most? Well, I actually started this YouTube channel as Crypto Matt back in the day because I was trading crypto exclusively. So I was Crypto Matt. And I got that name based off of a guy that I watched and enjoyed. He did these crypto happy hours. Crypto Bobby, if you remember him. Rob Palion or something like that now is his actual thing. He's got like a headhunting agency in the crypto world now, or maybe he sold that. I don't know. Anyways, he used to host these like crypto happy hours that I would like watch and tune into after my workday. Thought it was super fascinating to learn about crypto. That's how I was learning about crypto, was just like I would open a beer and watch his happy hour with a bunch of virtual people. I don't know. It was cool. That was in like 2016, 2017. And then when I started wanting to do my like crypto trading journal, essentially, I was like, oh, my name is Matt. I'll just do Crypto Matt. It'll be a crypto YouTube channel, whatever. And then as time was going on, I realized I don't want to just trade crypto. I actually don't remember when I changed my name to Trades by Matt. It might have been around the time I went straight to futures, but I think it was earlier than that technically. But I was like, this is not really a crypto channel, it's more of a trading channel. So what could I be? And I was like, my name is Matt still. And I'm trading, so I guess it could be Trades by Matt. My trades. So I switched to Trades by Matt. That's the lore. So Alex stole your name then? Who's Alex? Trades by Alex? I don't know who that is. I've had the Trades by Matt name for probably 8 or 9 years. Probably 8 years. Oh, Alex, the crypto guy that comes in here with seals. Oh, probably not. I mean, it's a very common name. Crypto blank. Yeah, it was a nothing burger. 845 News was a nothing burger. Otters, not seals. Yeah. He does say Otter Gang. So yeah, Trades by Matt has been the name ever since. I thought about changing my name to just Matt Miller at one point, and then I was like, honestly, I like TBM. It's better than MM. TBM. So I just stuck with Trades by Matt. Too close to Mac Miller. Yeah, RIP. I think Matt Miller kind of like TBM. I'm not really like a personality guy. It's not like I like to think that who I am on the camera, and I feel like my friends tell me that this is true. Who I am on the camera is who I am in real life. But it's nice to just still be TBM on camera and Matt Miller in real life. You know what I mean? Yeah, then what would you call the Spotify playlist? Matt Miller FM? Not as cool as TBFM. Right, TBFM is just a classic, man. A true light bulb moment when I thought of that. All right. Maybe back into the lows. We got a little bit of juice through 24,100. I'm gonna be patient. I am green lighted to trade. If I see something worth taking, I'll take it. But I'm not in a rush. I always think of TVFM as trades by freaking Matt. Yeah. You self-funding tracer, you get investors? I did not get investors. Yes, we will do tick charts, T-cons. We're moving and grooving. I'll give you more updates as updates are needed. Actually, I have a question for you, chat. I do have a question for you. Let me remember what the question was. Oh. Oh, big blocks. 900 sitting at 140. And 800 sitting at 130. Squirrel. Big blocks appear. Chat on lockout functions. We're obviously going to have a lockout function. Manual lockout function. For sure. We'll have it default through the end of the day. However, we're gonna offer custom or like time frames as well, chat. If you are experienced with manual lockouts, do you prefer a custom time frame integer, if you will, like 15 minutes or 1 hour or whatever, that you manually type in? Or if you're in the moment where you want to lock out, do you want to just select one from a drop down? Does that make sense? Like in the speed of the moment, you just want to click lock out and then either just go immediate for the rest of the day, or like pick 15 minutes or 1 hour or 4 hours or whatever? Or do you want to like be able to just go full day or type in the amount that you want? When you are saying drop down, do you mean the like time intervals that are predefined? Is that what you mean when you say drop down? I don't know if I clarified that correctly. Do you want predefined time intervals or do you want a custom time interval? The full day is obviously going to happen. Agreed, trades by JT. That's why I think that most people should just probably do the full day, to be honest. But I know that people like the smaller ones. This is where it gets challenging from like our end, because like we know how we trade and how we prefer things to be done and how we think things should be done, but obviously like everybody thinks differently. So I'm trying to accommodate everybody as best. I'm trying to accommodate most as best as I can. This is one of those ones that I have a hard time with because I don't understand how other people would think about it. No trades yet, Linda. There will be no need, Charmin. We have all of the copy trading built in. Across multiple connections and as many accounts as you want. GG Zilmar. All right, nice little push. Couldn't hammer the 900 block, huh? Maybe we got one of them. No, we didn't get any of them. Interesting, it's still resting down there. Fire's looking all right. It's top of the hour. Yes, it will, Cody. Okay, little smack. Back into the overnight lows is interesting. We do have VWAP not too much lower. Oh, not VWAP, excuse me, point of control at 83. Redline algo is going to hold us up, I guess. Sick. Alright, that's 40 points away from getting filled. Chad, if you haven't, make sure you press the thumbs up button down below. Helps out. It's been eons since we've gotten to 420 thumbs up, so click it. Of all the inventions of the last 100 years, the whiteboard has to be the most remarkable. Chat, what do you call a man who murders breakfast food? A serial killer. Oh, chat, I forgot to tell y'all. Yesterday, someone stole my mood ring. Yes, my mood ring. I still don't know how to feel about it. This is painful. That's the point of a dad joke. What did one elevator say to the other elevator? I think I'm coming down with something. I stayed up all night and tried to figure out where the sun was. Then it dawned on me. Roast tomato. How do you deal with How do you deal with the fear of speed bumps? How do you deal with the fear of speed bumps? You slowly get over it. Alright. Alright, press the thumbs up button, chat. What do you call a shoe made of banana? A slipper. Alright, last one. What's the easiest way to burn 1,000 calories? Leave the pizza in the oven. I'm done.
He's sharp as a tack. He's got his eyes on the Nasdaq. Ain't no looking back.
All right, view up maybe. I mean, it's a fairly large 5-minute candle. The other day, my wife asked me to pass her lipstick, but I accidentally passed her a glue stick. She still isn't talking to me. I got point of control up here, chat. How about a riddle, chat? What gets wetter the more it dries? Think about it. What gets wetter the more it dries? A towel! All right, maybe the point of control retest here, assuming buyers are holding up. It's just a little sketchy with how much free fall we have below. I kind of like the push into VWAP still. We've got a block at 300 that I think looks interesting. That's gonna stop me out, huh? Had a little sign of life. It's just gonna sweep the lows probably. Yep, swept it. Down 15 points there. Maybe should have moved break. It was 90. It was like 4 points, 4.5 points maybe. It was right on the edge of me moving break even there. I want to see 300 VWAP trade. I hope I just got barely swept and we push it up into there, but maybe we come back down into the 20s. 20s I think is still interesting. Be a fairly big candle still. 80 to 20 rotation. I think it makes sense. What is VWAP? Volume weighted average price. We've got the one standard deviation at 215. A little bit of volume there as well. Maybe that will be interesting. Up into 40, potentially. Volume at 40. Or ride it back up into point of control, potentially. Which would be very juicy. I gotta get the fill first. I'm gonna go move this break even. It's up 6 points. Stopped out break even. Okay. I'm fine with that. That was a good stop out. There's the 192. Dude, it's a pretty aggressive candle. It's 100 points. It's a good break even stop. All right, are we coming for the... Oh, they took the big block off. I mean, do we hold 70? Value area low, a little bit of volume. 1.5 standard deviation. Take back up into the overnight low, sweep it down one more time. It's a pretty aggressive candle. Nope, just gonna run it. That's another 80 to 20 rotation, basically. 40 points off the low there. Pretty dirty candle, not gonna lie. I mean, 100-point slap with a 50-point kick up. To not even fully engulf the last candle. I've taken 2 trades all day. So no, nothing has changed. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Kind of a weird spot with how we swept the low, or like with that low that we put in. Where it feels a little bullish, but Delta's kind of lagging a little bit. A little push up, I think, still makes sense. Figure out if we're gonna get a divergence or not. Nice RCP. This is a Sierra chart. That's correct. Got volume at 200. I don't know when that flipped. I guess recently. I think it was up at 260. Bar's looking all right again. It's closing out here in 10 seconds. Another test into 200 maybe? Do we sweep it though? Seems like a big ask to even get down to 200 right now. We're kind of just going sideways. Could look like this. I think up into 220 makes sense. It's crazy. That dude flashed a 900 block and an 800 block, and then now they're just like nowhere to be seen. Yeah, we're just kind of pushing out of it, huh? Got 8 minutes basically until initial balance is formed, which is the first hour's high and low. As seen on my 1 minute chart here in the bottom right, red line is the first hour low, green line is the first hour's high. Initial balance high, IBH, initial balance low, IBL. It's a breakout retest strategy. It kind of feels like an inside day right now, to be honest, but we'll see. Which kind of makes sense after yesterday's kind of aggressive movement. It makes sense to kind of have an inside balanced day in between. All right, nice little slap. All it takes is me to look at my phone. Classic. Hanging out the overnight lows. I would have gotten stopped out if I had been trying that other trade. Just glad I didn't do that. Chop into a 40-point candle. Now the question is, do we get follow through or not? GG skits here. Okay, are we gonna hold these wicks again or sweep it out into that 170 to maybe 160 spot? Or do we hold the 180 wicks? Sellers look like they want to sweep it out. I don't know if we have steam to sweep lows, though, to be honest. It must have been a big block in there that I wasn't looking at that got filled out. Flip it, we hold it again, huh? 4 times. I still think 220 is pretty interesting. I think something like this is actually fairly interesting. Instant stop out. That's 2, 3. It's one loser, a break even, and another loser. I'm gonna call it there. Down 525. Good day yesterday. Gave back some right now. It's time for me to take a walk. I think I'm not fully uninterested on this session. I want us to get out of this though, and I need to step away while we're still in here, or I'm just gonna get chopped up. I don't want to get chopped up, so I'm gonna call it there. Basically, instant stop out. This one was pretty much an instant stop out also. And then this was a instant break even stop out that saved me. So it's like 3 trades that just didn't really work. See the life of day. It's usually a good time for me just to call it. And I don't want to get back yesterday. So good luck, everybody. Be smart, be patient. Happens sometimes. The way of trading. Environments change. We just are not seeing a whole lot of, my opinion, I'm diddling in the middle, straight up, and that's a me problem. So I got to get out while I can. Good luck. Be smart, be patient. We'll see y'all tomorrow morning at market open for some hump day Wednesday action. Good luck. Be smart. Don't get back your bag. Peace, everybody.
He's sharp as a tack. He's got his eyes on the Nasdaq. Ain't no looking back. He wakes up every morning sipping on that coffee black. Trading numbers on his screen, yeah, he's got that knack. He's got his finger on the pulse, knowing when to buy or sell. He's making moves all day, making his portfolio well. From the open bell to the closing bell, he's ringing that cash register. With every trade he makes, he's getting closer to his treasure. He's a Nasdaq cowboy, riding that market wave. TBM ain't afraid to take risks. He's got money to save. He's catching those highs, dodging them lows, making his name. TBM's the king of the Nasdaq, playing his own game. He's a Nasdaq, king of the Nasdaq, playing his own game.